Sorry guys, the last video got cut a little short. I only had 15 minutes and I ran right up to the time. So on this video, we are going to be looking at 4 problems. These 4 problems you will need to complete by yourself, no help from others around you. I want to see what you can do and what you grasped from the last, I guess we started this on Wednesday, Thursday, and now today is Friday. When you are done with it, make sure your name is on your paper. And we're going to turn it into the tray back by the door. Remember, if you're Miss Pitts' class, it goes on top. Mr. Arthur's class, it goes in the middle. My class, your paper goes on the bottom tray. Make sure your name is on it. If you get done before the bell rings, signaling the end of math time, then you need to be reading your AR book quietly. If you don't, guess what? You have math homework. I never give you math homework, so you need to do it. If it's not done on Monday when you come into my classroom, that will be a late assignment. So let's take a look at our first problem you're going to be doing. So you're going to draw a line under your last one. And you label this one number 6. You're still doing missing dimensions. Height equals 7. Area equals 21 inches squared. Sorry, I forgot to label the last one. This is inches. So that's number 6. Make sure you're copying this all down just leave some space so you can do the work. Copy it down so if you don't finish it all in class, you have them all down. Number 7. Base equals 4 inches. Area equals 22 inches squared. Number 8. You don't have to write them the same way I do. I know a lot of you just like to go straight down. I'm writing them this way today because I can't fit all of them down beneath number 7. Number 8. Base equals 11 meters. Area equals 115.5 meters squared. And number 9. Height equals 1 yard. A equals 2.5 yards squared. So you have the rest of math time to work on this. If you don't get it done, it is homework. It needs to be turned into the tray when you are done. And I already went over what tray you are to turn it into since we haven't used the tray in a while. If you don't get it done, I repeat, it is homework. All of these problems need to be copied down before you leave the room if you run out of time. When you are done, you are reading your AR book silently. When the bell rings, you're not continuing to do this. You are going on to STEAM at that time.